YardBook tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can use YardBook. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on YardBook, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is YardBook, it is a comprehensive landscaping business software designed to streamline operations and enhance organization for lawn care and landscaping companies, in which the platform offers a range of tools to manage customers, create estimates, generate invoices, track equipment, schedule jobs, and manage expenses. And YardBook aims to empower landscapers to efficiently grow their businesses and build long-lasting relationship with customers. And aside from that, YardBook provides the templates for building public profile pages, which can be customized to reflect a company unique identity and services, in which these templates include sample introductions and description of service offered. And now to start using this platform, we can also click the sign up free button on the top right corner, in which upon clicking on it, we will be able to be directed on this page. And from here, to register, all we need to do is to simply enter our personal information, including our email address, and also generate our own password below here. And after generating our own password, we can now proceed by checking the boxes that indicate that you agree to the privacy and terms, and click this CAPTCHA. Then proceed by clicking the register button in here, in which upon doing so, we will be able to be directed on this page. And from here, just fill out all of the required information again, including your name, your business name, address, your city, zip code, your country, phone number, referral code, but that's just only an optional. And after filling out all of the required information, just click the save button below here to proceed, in which upon doing so, we will be able to be directed on this dashboard of YardBook. And aside from that, we could also navigate some other option on the left side panel, including customer, jobs, estimates, invoices, chemicals, equipment, and site map. However, under this dashboard, it serves as a centralized hub for landscapers to manage and track various aspects of their business, in which it provides a comprehensive overview of the company's operation, allowing users to quickly access key information and performance essential tasks. From here, you could also see some other data depending on the date range that you also selected in here, in which it will show you the number of customers, estimates, invoices, and payment received. Now moving on to customers option on the left side panel, this option serves as a central hub for managing customer relationship and activities, in which it allows landscapers to track and organize customer information, including their projects, invoices, and payments. So basically, you could see here a list of your customers, and if you want to create or add new customers in here, just click this plus add button to proceed. Then upon clicking on it, the next thing that we need to do is to simply fill out your first name, last name, email address, the phone number, business name, prospects of the customers that you also want to add. And also below here, you also need to enter the billing address of the customers. Then proceed by clicking the save button to continue. So basically, this feature is crucial for efficient business operations as it enables landscapers to quickly access customer details and manage their interactions effectively. Now moving on, we could also navigate here the jobs option by simply clicking on it. This option allows landscapers to organize and schedule their jobs efficiently, ensuring that all tasks are executed in an organized and timely manner, in which by creating and managing jobs effectively, landscapers can streamline their operations, improve productivity, and enhance customer satisfaction, making it easy to manage job descriptions, property addresses, schedules, and resources. And below here, if you also want to know other concerns, you can simply click any of this link below here to proceed to see the answer on this pop-up window right here. And aside from that, you could also filter all of the jobs in here by clicking this filter option if you want to. And we could also navigate recurring activities and the search bar if you also want to look for specific jobs in here. Now moving on, we can now proceed by clicking Estimates option on the left side panel, in which this option is designed to help landscapers create and manage professional estimates for their customers. This feature allows users to create an estimates with different options, including the ability to add service details and terms. And by clicking this plus estimates, we'll be able to be directed on this page. And from here, all we need to do is to simply fill out all of the required information, including the customer info, to add a product item, and even add a detailed description below here. Aside from that, you could also add here note if you also prefer. So basically, this option is a powerful tool for landscapers for effectively manage their business operations and build a strong relationship with their customers. Now moving on to invoices, in which this feature allows users to create and edit invoices, including the ability to create recurring invoices and generate similar invoices for future use. And additionally, landscapers can record payments, set invoices to pending or paid status, and send invoices directly to customers through the platform. And now to start creating an invoices, just click this plus invoice button right here, in which upon clicking on it, from here, all we need to do is to simply fill out all the required information by firstly selecting a customer in here, adding a product or services or item, a detailed description, and also a notes if you also want to input a notes in here. But that is just only the step 1 of creating an invoice, since the second 2 is pending payment, in which it says here that once a payment is received, you can record in the actions menu. And after that, you can now proceed to the step 3, which is paid. And by clicking this actions button right here, you'll be able to edit, create recurring invoices, create similar, record payment, send to customer, and many more. Now moving on, we could also navigate on the left side panel the chemicals option, in which this feature allows users to set up chemicals in advance, link them to specific services, and auto-generate chemical records for new jobs. And chemical records can be automatically set with weather data based on GPS location and can be easily emailed or printed to customer. And from here, by simply clicking this plus add button right here, we'll be able to start adding a chemical application such as the property address, the weather, humidity, temperature, and also below the chemical details such as the product name, active ingredients, and many more. And by clicking the save button below, we'll now be able to start adding a chemicals application. Now moving on under equipment, this feature allows users to set up recurring maintenance tasks for their equipment, ensuring that regular maintenance is performed to extend the life of their equipment. And additionally, YardBook provides a check-in or check-out process to track equipment usage, making it easy to monitor equipment usage and availability. By clicking this plus add button right here, you will now be able to start adding an equipment by filling out all of the required information, including the name, the status, model, string name, serial number, purchase date, purchase price, and many more. Then proceed by clicking save button to proceed or save this equipment. Now moving on to sitemap option on the left side panel. This option provides a clear and organized structure for managing different aspects of landscaping business, including customer management, job scheduling, invoicing, and equipment tracking. And the sitemap is divided into sections such as My Company, Customers, Jobs, Estimates, Invoices, Chemicals, and Activities, each which contain a specific features and also functionality. While on the top panel, we could also navigate here, Quick Add, in order to start adding a job, task, visit, estimate, invoice, payment, expense, product or service, employee, and equipment. For instance, this task. By clicking the task, we will be able to be directed on this page. But in starting or creating a task, you must have a new customer added in your platform or YardBook. Moving on, we could also navigate here on the top right corner to navigate our account settings. By simply clicking on it, it will show us our catalog, employees and crews, settings, user profile, help, and even the logout option. But overall, that is just basically how you can use YardBook. Thank you.